Oh, I have a dream. To cure diseases, to stop the violence, to stop pollution, to be kind to animals, to be a leader for a change, to keep kids healthy, to help the ill, to show people ways of keeping peace on the earth. I have a dream and I hope it comes true.
I hope that I can achieve anything in the world, that world war could end. I wish that the people gathered to help Earth, that my family and friends are safe. Oh, I dream that animals could be treated fair, that kids can be healthy, that everyone could have joy and hope.
If you feel like you can do it, go for it. Make yourself inspired. Always care for others. Greatness will sprout from all of us. Inside of you is amazing. Never give up. Everyone has a power inside of them. Use your